Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the hose connector in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new hose connector. The hose connector connects the water inlet valve to the detergent dispenser housing. The main reason for replacing the hose connector is if it cracks, causing a water leak. So now we're going to remove the inlet hoses from the washer. I'm going to use the large pliers or channel locks. I'm going to start turning it off, turning it counterclockwise. And I can finish it manually. I'm going to use a towel in case I'm going to have some water. And the second hose, same procedure. We need to remove a couple of Phillips screws, that one on each corner, in order to take off the control panel. So using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take out that screw in the corner. Then we're going to move to the opposite side and remove another one. To remove the control panel, we need to lift it up and simply turn it over and lay it on the top of the washer. So now we need to remove the couple of Phillips screws here that holds the connector. So now we can slide out and remove this diagram and schematic out of the way. So now we're going to take out the 3 screws that holds the water inlet valve. So now we can pull up the connector. The water valve is not attached anymore, so we can do it easily. And then we can separate them apart. This is the old hose connector next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm going to install a new hose connector. Lift up on the water valve, slide it under that hose, and connect 3 ports here. Push it in all the way, then we can lower it down. And all these 3 ports goes in. Push it in. All right, and now we can attach this with 5 Phillips screws. So align the holes and install the screws in. And we can slide in the schematic. So we're going to install these tabs into the cutouts and in the cabinet. So I'm going to lift it up, place it down, and turn it over and close it. So now we're going to secure the control panel with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm starting this corner, and then I'm going to move to the opposite side. Turn on the water. Plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.